Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you redeeming iTunes gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem iTunes Apple gift card on your device, what you can do is first redeem on your iPhone or iPad. To do it, simply head over and open up your App Store. Then once you're inside the App Store, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then once you're on your account page, here you'll find an option that says redeem gift card error code. Simply tap on it. And once you're inside there, what you need to do is choose one of the methods, which is use camera or enter code manually. You can use camera and scan the code on the card, or enter the code manually by simply typing the code yourself. Then once that's done, you'll find an option that says redeem. Simply tap on that, and now your balance is added to your Apple ID balance, and you can now use it for apps, games, music, subscription, and iCloud, etc. Next method is a redeem on your Windows or PC by simply heading over and opening up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in https://apple.com/redeem. And then once that's done, what you can do is simply search for it, and then that will prompt you to a small dialog box. All you gotta do is tap on allow, and that will redirect you to the redeem card section. All you gotta do is enter in your gift card or simply use camera to scan it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.